the use of technology, giving the managers the ability to visually monitor what's going on at remote sites. I would sort of not like to see that occur, because I think that for so long in the past, we talk about managing. There was a question that somebody raised about how will managers manage if nobody's at the office, and my response to that is that managers never managed when people were at the office. What they did is they monitored attendance, is what they primarily did. Yep. Or if they weren't monitoring attendance, they were meddling in what they shouldn't have had no business meddling into. And the advantage of telecommuting or telework was that it was forcing us to go in the direction of really managing and doing the kinds of things we should have done in organizations, instead of in terms of setting goals, being more specific about goals, providing information that provided direction to people, providing confirmation of how well they were doing, providing consequences for performance, and doing all of those things that managers really should be doing but never did in organizations where all I had to do was to check to make sure you showed up at a certain time and sat there and looked busy all day long. So I would sort of hate to see the technology allow managers to lapse back into that standard. I think it's better to drive the other. And one of the interesting things about telework, when we have been forced to set those standards, people have performed a lot better. The productivity of teleworkers, in contrast to what we were concerned about, has been a lot better than the performance and productivity of people who actually work on site.